Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Fashion Fleek. So we start off today's video with someone who bought a see-through shirt, and pretty much she's going to all these different stores looking for brown, and she's going to be using the brown so that she can dye the shirt a different color. I think that this is a great DIY to try out, especially if you have a white shirt and you want to revamp it, and you can pretty much do any kind of color that you want. So she has a bunch of different shirts here, and then she's just going in and dyeing them. So then we have someone cutting up a Bad Bunny t-shirt. I think that this is really funny because I used to do this all the time when I was in high school. I used to always buy these shirts and then cut them. So it looks like she's pretty much turning this into a crop top. Oh, she's doing asymmetrical. Okay, so she did end up making a crop top. That is really cute. So we have another t-shirt DIY here for this next one. And let me know in the comments below, have you ever tried to DIY your own shirts? Oh wow, I cannot believe that used to be a t-shirt. That is so cute. And then next we have someone who is going to be turning their scarf into what looks like a shirt. So you would definitely need a big shirt or scarf for this hack. That is cute though. She kind of turned it into a poncho. Then we have a long white blouse hack. And it looks like she's doing the asymmetrical shirt with this. Oh, this is really cute. Love this idea. Very nice. And most of us have a button-down shirt laying around, so that's definitely one we can all do ourselves. What in the world? So she made a cropped plaid shirt pretty much. That's cute. So if you guys have been wondering about some of these hacks and you want to try them out, but you're not sure if they'll work on you because you have a larger chest, here is someone who has a larger one, and she's going to be doing a tank top hack with this. And it looks like she's turning this into a crop top. Okay, so this hack works, but you would definitely need something underneath, I feel like. I mean, she took her bra off, but I would want more support than that, so. But it's always nice to see these hacks being done on women of all shapes and sizes. But yeah, once again, definitely bra underneath. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed these fashion hacks and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.